Hey guys, this is Lukas Budweiser for MALU WILZ Beautè. I'm going to show you how to do a soft monochromatic look with our new summer collection. Enjoy and have fun.
After applying her makeup, I start to blend the new blush in the color Tree Coral softly to the cheeks and all over the face using the MALU WILZ cheek brush. Then I use the blush to slightly tint the lip with it. You could use some lip balm over it, but we already moisturized her lip when we did her makeup, so we're gonna skip on that one. After that, I'm going to apply coral in the crease of the eye using our soft MALU WILZ blending brush and really buff it into the skin and soften the edges out for a nice blown look. Take your time here and make it perfect, just for yourself. Then I'm going to use our new longwear eyeshadow pen in the color 10 in the waterline. It stays here fit for at least 10 hours, so that's perfect for there. Then I'm going to use our new longwear eyeshadow pen in the color 11 all over her lid space to create a soft gleaming highlight there. And that's basically it. And here you have your soft summer look.